Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Cody the Coin Raptor, and today I want to talk about a potential bull trap setup in the Bitcoin price. But before we begin, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could smash that like button and subscribe to see all my new videos before anybody else. So, speaking of our Bitcoin, we're going to take a look at our chart TA here. We have this downwards channel set up for Bitcoin, in which you have the support here, and then you have the resistance level here. And you can see that it's pretty firmly stuck in this downtrend. And this goes back all the way to about October, or I'd say late October here. And then if you also take a look at our RSI resistance, we have RSI resistance here at 50. And right now, Bitcoin has not spent very much time above this 50 level. Usually with the RSI, what we're looking for is Bitcoin to be above 70, and that would indicate that it's overbought, or all the way down to 30, and that would indicate that it's oversold. And right now, it's in the middle of the range. So right now, we're looking for Bitcoin to break out here above this level here at about 17,300. And if it breaks above that level, it'll be out of this short-term downtrend. Okay, so it's very important to keep this short-term downtrend in mind, because we're going to go ahead and take a look at the funding rate here. And so the funding rate, what it's showing us is we have a significant number of Bitcoin longs that have been increasing as the past few days have gone on. Starting with the 19th of December, we can see this huge increase in the number of Bitcoin longs all the way here until about the 23rd of December. And this isn't really normal activity in a bear market to see such a huge increase in Bitcoin longs. Last time this happened, I would say, was about here in the 14th of December, 13th to 14th of December. And one thing we can see here is a bear trap playing out, in which you have a high number of Bitcoin longs here at the bottom, and then you can see there is a little bit of a flip-flop here as the bears overtook the bulls, and then it came all the way down here. All these bulls got liquidated here, and the price fell dramatically, and this was from about 18,200 all the way down to about 16,600. So we could see something similar right now in play for this bull trap. And the reason why I always try to pay attention to these bull traps is because when you see this increasing number of these Bitcoin longs here, as dictated here by this aggregated funding rate for your perpetual contracts, this is a sign that sometimes the bulls can get ahead of themselves. And if that happens, then they could get liquidated very quickly if the price capitulates, if the price moves down further from here. Then you can see all these guys down here get liquidated. Now, what that looks like is we come over here and we take a look at CoinGlass, and we can see that based on the 15th of December, that liquidation event, there was 44 million longs that were liquidated in that region. And so that's what that looks like. And you see a dramatic decrease in the price, again, from about 17,700 all the way down here to 16,200. And next, I want to go ahead and show you the options market for Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin options market, the only reason I like to bring this up is because this open interest by expiration for Bitcoin, you have a massive number of call options that are going to be expiring on the 30th of December. I've talked about this quite a bit, but these don't seem to have gone away. They've stayed at an incredibly high level. Right now you have almost $1.5 billion of call options that are set to expire on the 30th of December, and then about almost 900 million or so of the put options that are going to be expiring on the 30th of December. And so what that means is we're probably going to wind up getting some extreme volatility by the end of the year. So in about a week or so, we could see an extreme move to the upside or an extreme move to the downside as these options are exercised. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. If you like this content, let me know. And I'm really curious to hear about what you guys have to say about this. Is this a potential bull trap, or is it not? Or is it even a bear trap? I'm definitely curious about what you guys have to say about this. And do you think things are going to get worse for Bitcoin, or do you think that the price is going to stage a recovery and we've already hit the bottom? All right, thank you very much, and have a fantastic day.